the hair loss transformation. All right, y'all. Today we are going to be showing you, yes, you, baby, the you who have not probably went to cosmetology school, how to replace a hair balding, jacked up hair lace frontal tooth. Okay, some of you guys are ripping up these frontals, putting big old holes in it. The weave doctor has to refix this frontal, baby. It's going to be amazing. This hair now, she did bring her own hair though. I think she purchased it off of Amazon, baby. And that Amazonian hair just been natting and ratting up. And up, girl. Now look what the weed doctor has done, baby. Look at that raw Peruvian hair weighing in that 10 pounds. Child, we replaced that frontal lift, okay? And this is with our transparent lace. We have one of our vendors, child, they trying to step the game up, almost looking like HD. Watch out now. And we work with all individuals who suffer from hair loss. And we added a 20-inch bundle in the back because just to replace her hair. All right, book.